Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 17. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to add ones and ones or tens and tens. In the previous lesson, or the previous video, we talked in the video about adding those tens together. So now, we know that whenever, the first thing we have to ask ourselves is, am I adding tens or am I adding ones? So looking at this, 18 plus 3. Well, what do both of these numbers have in common, tens or ones? Well, we know that they both have ones that we could add together. 18 has 8 ones, 3 has 3 ones. So before we do our number bond strategy, we're going to draw a picture. So we know that we're going to draw 18, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to add 3 to it. So that's 18, 19, 20, meaning 10, 21. That's our 3 ones that we had to add from that 3. So we just added our ones together. We made a new 10 from it. So now, looking at this, we know that using our picture, 18 plus 3 equals 10. 20, because this is a new 10, so add it as a 10. 21. Now, let's do our number bond strategy. We need to break apart, I'm going to unbox these. We need to break apart this 18 to where we can add our tens. Add our ones together. So we broke apart 18 the 10 way, which is 10, 8. Now, we're going to add our ones. 8 plus 3. Well, now 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, we have to add 10 plus 11 together. So what is 10 plus 11? Well, we know we have 11 and we add 1 10 to it. So we know 11. This is the 10s. If we add one more 10 to that 11, we know that 1 would become a 2. So we're going to be 20 and then 1. So 10 plus 11 equals 21. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.